Hello students, today we will continue the revision of chapter 5 acid, bases and salts. In the last class we have completed about acids, bases, their properties, indicators and neutral substances. So today's topic is neutralization. What is neutralization? When an acid is mixed with a base, they neutralize the effect of each other. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. So what is neutralization? In neutralization reaction, we add acid and base and form salt plus water. In this what happened? Both of them neutralize the effect of each other. That is why this is known as neutralization reaction. Water and salt are produced as products during the neutralization reaction. So what are the main products in this reaction? Water and salts. Heat is also produced during the neutralization reaction. In these reactions, when acid and base combines, then salt plus water is formed and also heat is produced. Now, the salt produced during neutralization reaction can be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. So, the salt which is produced as a product can be either acidic, basic or neutral. That depends on the type of acid and base are mixed. Now, neutralization in everyday's life. As neutralization reaction takes place in everyday's life, it is a kind of, we can say it is a part of everybody's life. So how here are some examples which will tell you that how neutralization is taking place in everybody's life. First is ant sting. It contains formic acid. Ant sting means when ant bites, so it leaves formic acid, due to which there some irritation occurs in the bitten areas. The effect of this acid is neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda or calamine solution that contains zinc carbonate. So how can we reduce the effect of formic acid? By rubbing moist baking soda or calamine solution which contains zinc carbonate. So to reduce the effect of this formic acid, what can we do? We can immediately rub that surface or rub that area with moist baking soda or calamine solution. Calamine solution is a type of chemical which is found mainly in solutions, in lotions, etc., so that the acidity of that particular acid can be reduced. Now second example is indigestion. Indigestion means when there is incomplete digestion of food. Milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide, is an antacid used to neutralize the effect of acid produced in our stomach. How neutralization takes place in indigestion? As when the proper digestion of food does not take place, then what happens? People are suggested to take antacid, and antacids are the solution or substances which reduce the effect of acid. In this way they neutralize the effect of acid. Soil treatment. How neutralization takes place in soil treatment? Excessive use of chemical fertilizers makes the soil acidic. What happens? When farmers use lot of fertilizer in their field, then the soil becomes acidic, due to which plants does not grow well in acidic soil. Plants do not grow well in acidic or basic soil both. Then what happens? When the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases. To reduce the effect of acidic soil, the farmers add base to the soil to reduce its acidity by adding quicklime, calcium oxide or slake lime, calcium hydroxide. If the soil is basic, organic matter is added to it. So if the soil is acidic, then what is added? Calcium oxide or slake lime is added. And if the soil is basic, organic matter is added to it. Organic matter means like humus or the cow dung. It is added to reduce the basicity of the soil. So in this way soil is treated. Last one is your factory waste. Factory waste, the waste of many factories contains acid which are neutralized by adding substances. As you all know, the waste coming out from the factories are directly coming in contact with water or soil. In this way what they are doing? They are spoiling the